Oh, yes. You are Western style of the
Yes.
sharpening.
Yeah, it's not my fault I'm born like this, you know. Today, I have a special guest in my kitchen. This is Mino from Global. Today he's going to show me how to sharpen a knife. Because I think I know how to do it, but you do better than me.
Japanese style is much, much better. How to sharpen the knife is how to keeping the same angle. If you can keep the same angle, you are nearly expert.
So how you do that?
I always recommend you to keeping the angle between 10 or 15.
My secret, how we do in my country. I put a quarter, that's the angle.
No. Thank you very much. But guide rail.
Ah, that's your angle.
So this is my angle.
That's better.
But
It's better. I agree.
If I clip like this, can you see? Here is a gap between blade and stone. So if I want to sharpen here, look.
So where you put pressure, that's where the blade.
No. Guide rail is straight, but the blade is looking this way.
Ouais.
Okay? So I recommend you just like that. Okay? Can you see? No more space, just like this. Please always few drop, just like that. Look here. This is a wet powder from the stone.
Yeah.
Looks it's very dirty. Your knife, not to sharpening by stone. Your knife is sharpening by wet powder.
With powder.
So there's no power required.
Mm-hmm.
So just okay. If you sharpen knife properly by stone, you can use at least 1 month or what?
1 month?
Yeah.
Can I try?
Oh yes.
1 year. Yeah?
Yes.
And just too fast.
Too fast. You better to more relax.
The problem of my life. Relax.
Like this. Okay? If you keep in the same angle, you can hear the same sound from the stone. Push.
You can sharpen knife just with the sound.
I never asked you to make the music like a Beethoven. I just asked you the same sound. Push. Very, very easy, isn't it?
You know the movies Karate Kid? Wax in, wax out. Miyagi. You did a good job, Mino. We have a little toast. Very good sake.
Thank you.
Made in Japan. Arigato.
Arigato.
Okay, santé.
Kanpai.
Kanpai.
Score.
It's pretty good, huh?
Very smooth.
I know, huh? It's so smooth, huh? And after you get so drunk so fast. Kanpai. Thank you. So cool. Thank you. Merci.